Riding Gears 1. Welcome to Riding Gears Safety Training, where your safety takes center stage. Before riding, do a quick vehicle check to ensure the vehicle is roadworthy. Let's prepare for a safe and secure journey. Let's start with the most crucial piece, your helmet. Remember, a snug-fitting helmet is a lifesaver. Also, don't forget to lock the chin strap. Without this, it will not help you. 2. Gloves. They are important for maintaining control of the vehicle. Protect your hands with sturdy gloves, ensuring a firm grip for every twist and turn. Wear the right kind of clothing: full sleeves, trousers, shoes or footwear. No flowing clothes or high heels for women. A high-quality, well-fitted jacket can protect you from wind, debris, and bad weather. Select a colorful or reflective one to improve your visibility. Seen and be seen is a very critical aspect of safe driving. It's very important to ensure you are visible to other road users. By wearing the right kind of protective gears and clothing, you make sure that others can see you.